Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. One thing I admit, I went looking for something else, and I saw a setting in live stream. By the way, I'm always fanboying over live stream. Actually, Vimeo, I think, bought them. Does the text, does it look any better? Because I didn't realize there was like a 720p setting, and I set it to 1080. So like I'll still increase my font size, but let me know in the comments, and Alex will see them. Can you tell any difference? Does anything look any different? I guess would be my question. So that being said, let's get started. Drop your questions. BFRI currently the only bullish stock on Oracle. BFRI, day oneer, and LGVN. Everything else red. So that's always a good indication for me what my two number ones are. Little shaky out there this morning. I think that will change on a dime. But P-Market live stream, and it is 11/24/2021. Oh, and again, it just drives me nuts because it's always confused. Remember, market normal hours today. Idiots on Twitter are going to tell you that the market closes early today. It doesn't. 4 p.m. close. Everything is normal today. Then quality is better. Awesome. Cool. All right. Well, I guess I should have went and looked at the settings at some point in the last 5 years of live streaming. Anyway, cool. Awesome. So, anyway, normal market hours today. Stock market's closed tomorrow. Thanksgiving. Have an incredible day with your family, friends. You know, if you live away from home, we got all this amazing technology. FaceTime your mom or something, all right? Take advantage of the technology. Then Friday, market closes early, 1 p.m., and after hours goes up till 5 p.m. So, and then BFRI, day one Oracle idea, and LGVN, bounce day Oracle idea. Okay. What do you think about XPEV, Chinese electric vehicles? Yeah. So Brian, I don't hate it. You know, it's an EV play. Don't swing trade this. Don't overnight anything China related. But I like it. XPEV over 54 Chinese EV play. Day trade only. IINN asks Greg. What's IINN? Inspira. So they had earnings winner. What do these guys do? Low floater. Whatever it is, it looks cool. Whoa. I'm a nerd. Give me one of these things. I don't know what it does, but it sure looks cool. Whoa! Always a good, their YouTube video has 5 pages of disclaimers. What's this? Come on, get to the good stuff. Is this like Neuralink? Nasalis, canalis. Anyway, move on. My jokes aren't working. Low float, biotech, decent earnings, disaster of a chart. I don't know, dip and rip, not my favorite. I'm probably going to lean towards BFRI, but not my favorite. But if it can break a high day, so. I mean, idiots will probably short it because they can't figure out that this is like the worst week ever to short biotechs. Thoughts on LGVN? Yeah, so let's go over that. I already said this is my number one. Well, my top two. Okay. And then let's get a read from Oracle. Oracle sees major support at 1907 and then a major significant level at 22 and 23. So 23 would be a push through last night's highs, which would be that squeeze level, which is also an Oracle major resistance level. So I would look for breaks of 23 and then risk probably on that whole dollar, half dollar of 2050, which is also VWAP. So LGVN. And here's the thing with LGVN. I know you've seen it. People are like, oh, LGVN got destroyed. Meanwhile, people with a brain in their head are like, wait a minute. LGVN is up 1,000%. It's like, and I know I go on and on and on and on about this, but it just, you can't underestimate the stupidity of the bros on Twitter. It's like, oh, LGVN got destroyed, bro. It's like, wait a minute. 3 days ago, this was a $2 stock. Or 4 days. 4 days ago, trading days. Back to last Thursday. Thursday morning's a $2 stock. What are you idiots talking about? Destroyed. You know what got destroyed? I know what got destroyed. Your brain when your mom dropped you on your head 3 times when you were a baby. You're out here shorting biotechs Thanksgiving week, shorting biotechs that are still up 1,000%. This is what I want you to do for Thanksgiving. Call your mom and be like, Mom, how many times did you drop me on my head as an infant? I need to know. Because I keep making the dumbest possible trade decisions that could ever be made. I'm shorting low flow biotechs up 1,000%. How many times, Mom? How many? I need to know. BFRI. 3 million float, 12 million shares. It's your number one dip and rip. God dang it. Slow down. Not yet, BFRI. What about LCID? Yeah. EVs. Hey, I mean, listen, EVs are going to bounce. I think the biggest trend of winter and, winter, it's officially winter. Basically, next week is December. I still say the biggest trend is going to be EVs. I would trade LCID off of resistance levels, pushes through like 55, maybe risk on 50. By the way, I do have a electric vehicle research report coming out. I think it will be published today, maybe next week. Got an entire electric vehicle research report, to like 10 pages long. So keep an eye out for that. Can you share some of your top swing trade ideas? It kind of takes time. I like Ford. Listen, if it's EVs, Ford, LCID, EVs, check out the Steady Trade team. Listen, I know you're here. What we do here is we talk about morning day trades. Listen, if you want to, every Monday night, this week I did a 45-minute swing trade webinar breaking down Ford. Do I still have the worksheet? I don't know. Did I close it? Or do I still have? Yeah, yep. So there it is. I know you can't read it, but so. All right. In my opinion, I'm going to move on, guys. I got a busy day. I think. Oh, KTTA. Sorry, I do want to mention KTTA. Ugly close yesterday, but KTTA is setting up for a day 2. So, 8. Okay. So 8 risk on VWAP, KTTA blows up. And don't forget about KTTA, like going into Friday, etc. So all the low float biotechs from this week, please keep on your watch. Remember, I expect Friday to be crazy. Would not surprise me to see another LGVN type move from the other day. Everybody. Think about the post 2020 world. Everybody is going to be ready to go on Black Friday. We got 50 million new day traders in the last year and a half. So many people have Friday off. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. So looking forward to seeing you on Friday. Maybe, you know what I might do? BFRI, damn it! Come on, man! Ugh! Well, I'll tell you this. What did I open with? Okay, for what it's worth. Listen, I'm telling you, Oracle is amazing, okay? What did I open with at 12 minutes ago? I said there's one stock with two stocks green on Oracle, BFRI. It was at 450. It's at 550. So check out Oracle. Check out Market Prophecy. It's probably going to be the number one. And a lot of you guys are saying OCUP. All right. Anyway, maybe I'll do an extended session on Friday. OCUP. What do we got? Listen, it's rotated the float. Grand River. It's a Michigan company. Maybe I'll go visit these guys. Junk Biotech. Blah, blah, blah news. Is this a chat pump? BFRI so FYI, BFRI's chat pump. Oh, H.C. Wainwright. Okay, you guys know what I'm going to say on OCUP. It's quote unquote a dip and rip, but it's not my fave. We've discussed. Ew. Okay, do what you want, but H.C. Wainwright pumps are never going to be my number one. So I would say this, afternoon only. Don't get bagged by the boys, afternoon only. Do you really want to get bagged by the boys at H.C. Wainwright? Ask yourself that question. You want to buy their shares? You want to buy their shares this morning? Or do you wait for it to hold VWAP and then squeeze into the after hours? Because that's your only play on this. All right? Get breaking news. How do I know it's an H.C. Wainwright problem? Get breaking news. Get Oracle. Come on! These tools are here. Check out Market Prophecy. BFRI. Take advantage of this stuff. Okay? Now, I know what you're going to say. Oh, I don't want to pay for all this stuff. Listen, you got to have tools, man. It's like my thing with trading, it's like if you're a carpenter, okay? You're going to show up to build a custom house with a hammer and, like a couple screwdrivers. Good luck. You're trying to build a custom home in a handsaw, So do what you want. But take advantage of this technology. So, all right, BFRI, I'm going to wait for it to set the top. Dip and rip all day. LGVN over 23. OCO, KTTA pushes through 8. OCUP afternoons only because it's a H.C. Wainwright pump. And again, remember, BFRI is also a chat pump. Be careful with that. 9:45 or later if you want to stay safe. All right. Have an amazing Thanksgiving, my friends. I will do my best to consume 20,000 calories. See if I can do it. Take advantage of it. I like to eat healthy, but hey, man, Thanksgiving is the official cheat day. You can't cheat on Thanksgiving. Come on. So, and then we'll see you Friday morning, and I'll see how things go. I might try and do an extended session for Black Friday for the heck of it. Well, hey, I give. So, all right. Happy Thanksgiving. See you Friday. Market closes at 4 p.m. today. Okay. There's probably already been 10,000 tweets about the market closing early today by the same guys that got dropped on their head that are shorting biotechs during Thanksgiving week.